The crazy rat. Try mo yung form ng akin. It's good. What is this? Miraya. Which do you like better? That. Okay. Why? No. I'm joking. Why? Which one do you like better? This one. Ay, gusto mo ito eh. I also like this. That's very sweet. The sisal foam is like a heart. Ano tayo? Ayoko. Gusto ko yung caramel. No, you don't. Can I taste again? No, you don't. No, you don't. Aba. Saan ako? Hindi, okay lang. Budget meal. Student friendly. Naglalakad kami sa fishies. Fishies. A big fish. Naglalakad kami sa fishes. Hello.
Do you know my peso boy?
Yes. Hello. Hello. Hey.
Ay, what the hell?
Hala. Hala, ba't ganun yung pagkabagsak? Ayun. Yeah. Busog pa ba sila?
No.
Ayan na siya! Eto na! Yeah. Kinain niya pati yung plastic.
Na parang may limit lang sa pag-microwave.
Yeah. I have a gift.
Oh,
This is Chuki's new hair.
hello. It's my
She's
hair
back.
again.
The heartthrob Chuki is back. My gift is for doing so well
At what?
this month.
What? What did I do?
I don't know.
You don't know.
You tried your best going to work even though it's so hard for you. So I got you a gift.
Really?
Ta-da!
What's this? This is a coin purse. This is a coin purse.
Need ko lagyan ng barya sa loob. That's why I'm asking for coin.
Oh my god, it's so cute! My coin purse in college was from Artwork also because their coin are so cute.
I know you like it.
Emotional support
Pizza.
in the shade. Red wine supernova.
Yay! Hindi ka na mahiyang i-pull out yung coin purse mo. You
Wow.
need to pay.
Ah!
Bye!
Thank you, Nini. Later. I don't have money.
Aja.
Ha, yun. Doon na sila tumawa no, Jaja. Di ba ganun din tumawa yung Koreans?
Ha? KKK yun eh.
Ah,
This is her fit. Fit. Fit check. Fit check. For when you're soft and hit the jagged ground, wheels aren't even touching the ground. Pakita mo yung sa'yo. What's that? This is my almond whatever.
butter
curd.
almond nuts.
What is that?
Black overload.
Taste test. It's good. You like it?
You like it?
Can I taste yours after?
Yeah. I think you're gonna like it kasi butter almond.
Well, it's sweet.
I love it. Dito na lang.
Yeah, ready. Dito muna natin lagay ito. Itong fries.
Fries.
Fries. Let's eat. Guys, we're eating inside the car because we need a break from our noisy kids at home. We have two beautiful daughters. We love them, but we need a break from them. Imagine.
Saan galing yun? Sino nagluwal nun?
Chicken filet a la king with no rice because
What?
I'm on a diet.
No rice?
You can even see my waist. Where's my waist?
What? Inanggal mo rice mo? Ay, sorry. Ang bobo.
Ah,
Uto.
burger rice. Wala lang yung rice ko. Ubus na yung ano ko. Bye-bye. Nanood kasi kami ng YouTube. Bye-bye.
Ilan mo kasi pala? Gano'n ka...
Okay lang.
Kung gano'n kalaki yung gano'n. Pizza pasta.
kami ngayon sa Landmark. Ay, Landmark pa din ba? Landmark, tatawid kami ng Festival Mall. Hello guys! We're here at Festival Mall. Ano ba? Look, looky. This is our view. Wala kaming food kasi natatain na kami. Kasi? Natatain na kami. Hello! We're going out again. We just came back to poop. Because we're poopy girls. Now we're going out again. And also, I fixed my hair and put some ribbons. Time check. It's
Uwian time!
Weekend time. It's 1 a.m.
Restores the skin's radiant glow.
Guys, hindi pa in-game ang ating so ito muna. Diba? Straight pa ako maglakad.
Just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky to forget. I'm just trying to give you something.
Bring us into your new year.
Bite me. No? That looks nice. Pero bakit ganun yung egg? Sabi niya, spam silog.
Yeah.
Scam! Scam, scam, scam! Mabangga yung nagsuserve. Mabayaran ba nila yun?
Masayo, kumakanta pa siya ng Psycho.
Ha? Ilang taon na ba siya?
Hindi naman super bad. Siguro mga 30s.
Kain tayo. Bumalik siya dito ng bad trip kasi tinapakan siya ng bata tsaka inawakan siya. Saan doon yung magulang?
Hinawakan ako sa singit. Nakatingin siya sa akin at bigla niyang hinawakan.
Guys, ang gentle parenting, hindi ibig sabihin gagahayaan yung gawin ng anak mo lahat na gusto nilang gawin. Hindi yun ang tamang definition ng gentle parenting, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka. Hello, family members! Welcome back to my channel! Ang fit ko today ay ganito lang. Naubusan na ako ng idea. May suso. Welcome back! Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Mag-aamoy tayong burger dito.
Buksan na lang natin.
Mamaya. Ngayon nyo na lang kami makikita na ganito kasi pagdating ng February, wala na akong content kasi mananahimik na kami ulit. Bahay na. Home vlogs. Home vlogs.
Dito ulit. This is good.
May default order sa Jollibee kapag hindi na smell.
How do you call this? Bacon cheesy?
Y3. Bye muna tayo. Bye-bye! Guys, I finally saw what.
This is my kingdom. You guys.
And a slightly less certain woman kept bumping into one another on street corners.
Everybody's story is different.
Guys, 10 buwan na kaming unhealthy. Promise talaga sa February magbabago na kami. Tsaka wala kasi tayong groceries. May ginawa pala kaming bago. Meron na kaming Discord server for home management. Thank you!
Ito pa rin mo siyang binayaran ni Les.
Kain na kami. Bye-bye!
blender. Diba? Any Chris ba?
Para tapos
Ito, wala pa rin si Jez, pero related to sa
guys, wala dito guys.
Bakit ang lapit? May Chinese ba sa tabi? I don't know yet if it's a film.
Munti kami matanggalan ng leeg. Sumakit yung leeg ko kasi masikip din ng dami. Meron din tayo eh, kulay green na binili. Na namin ng shimmer. May supply ng shimmer dito. Susumbong namin kayo kay Caitlyn. Shimmer. Magay ng shimmer. Nahulog mo na. Sa clumsy girl. Hindi pa kasi na-open to. Jesus! Kita niya na? Kita niya na. Ayan na siya. Tara! Anong kunyari perfect ka dyan? May zombie apologize. May zombie apologize. Apologize.
every single day rather than trying to fit in super long classes every now and again. So I
Knockout kay Iso, kamay ka muna dun sa likod. Pero sa likod din. Please, okay, this is